An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun by providing more information about its qualities, characteristics, or attributes. Adjectives typically answer the question what kind, how many, which one, or whose in a sentence. For example, in the sentence, "The big red apple is delicious," the adjectives big and red modify the noun apple by describing its size and color respectively. Adjectives can be classified according to their type, such as descriptive adjectives, which provide specific details about a noun or pronoun, comparative adjectives, which are used to compare two or more things, and superlative adjectives, which are used to describe the highest or most extreme degree of a quality. Adjectives can also be used to form compound adjectives, which are made up of two or more words used together to modify a noun or pronoun, such as high-tech or hardworking.